Hi, it's Emily from WTI. My husband and I are avid hikers who also have some back pain, and this is my new best friend when we're hiking. This is the Tada chair, the Series 2 by STEP2GOLD. This is a lightweight walking stick that also functions as a chair when you need a rest. They come in 3 different heights, and in just 1 second, you can transform it to a comfortable chair so that you can rest when you need to. This walking stick is perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, the beach, picnics, get-togethers, potlucks, anywhere that you want to easily be able to take a comfortable place to rest and sit while also having the support of a walking stick in a lightweight, convenient package that has a carry case with a strap. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, it is heavy duty and sturdy, but still lightweight. It has these great anti-slip rubber feet that provide more stability. They even built in a little hook on the handle, which allows you to hang it from tree branches or tables at a restaurant and keep it up off the ground. The seat is made with 3 panels and it's nice and wide, so it's very comfortable for sitting. This seat can even hold up to 300 pounds. I'm so excited to have this for my parents who are getting older. They would like to be more active, but have been challenged because hiking or walking on uneven terrain makes them nervous, and I think these are going to be awesome, so we can still take them out on adventures with us. I love how quickly and easily this transforms to a chair and then back again. This is a well thought out, well constructed product, and I am super happy with it. I think you will be too, but that's my point of view.